We are born to create. From the Stone Age to today, every era had its blade, shaping the world around us. But while our imagination has grown, the blade hasn't. So we changed it. Meet xTool M2, the next evolution of cutting. Smarter crafting starts here. It cuts and engraves beautiful details across hundreds of materials. But precise cutting was just the beginning. What about color? With M2's print module, you can achieve full color printing directly onto your paper, fabric, felt, and more. Print stunning details and cut the perfect shape, all in one seamless workflow. Now, it's not just about making, it's how moments come alive and become yours.
Happy birthday!
To make creation effortless, the M2 features dual cameras that guide the entire process. It automatically detects the material. You just drag the design. Settings are auto-applied. Preview the result. And click. Watch the magic happen safely right on your desk. Simply place any everyday items inside. M2 brings your ideas to life with ease. If you don't have a design yet, pick a smart template to create custom stickers in seconds. You can also make a name keychain just by typing. It's that easy to make it yours. And beyond that, the M2 adapts to whatever you want to create. Mark metal, engrave detailed images, or add the rotary to customize tumblers with ease. Accessible, powerful, unbelievably colorful. Because we were born to create, not just things, but moments, memories, connections. xTool M2. A new way to turn your life into a canvas. All in full color. Let's get started.